So most people solve this question like 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, right? Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So now 1 times 4 is equal to 4, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P A M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So now in this question, here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here subtraction, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So 8 minus, now solve this multiplication, 7 times 6 is equal to 42 minus 2. Now here we have subtraction and here subtraction, in both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So 8 minus 42 is equal to minus 34 minus 2. So now minus 34 minus 2 is equal to minus 36. So the correct answer is minus 36, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.